maximum area of longest rectangle. In this question, we have given a vector of dimension in which two things are available. First, length, and the second one is width. We have to return the area of rectangle having longest diagonal. If there are multiple rectangles with longest diagonal, then return an area having maximum area. So I'll explain this briefly. First, we have traverse on dimension array and count and calculate calculate the calculate we have to calculate the diagonal for each dimension, and suppose that it has maximum dimension, then we have to find the area of this dimension and then return it to function. So why what will be our intuition? Suppose that let's take an example 3. Yeah, we take an example based on this. So 9 and 3. We find the diagonal of this dimension array. Square of 9. How to find the dimension of an array, or an array, or an triangle in whatever. L square plus length square plus width square, and the root of length square plus width square. So what is the square of 9? 81. 81 plus 9, it will be 90. Root of 90 is 9.4 something, whatever. And then we store it in somewhere. It is 9, and then we find the area. And the same, we find the diagonal for this dimension array. It is square 64, and then 36, it will be 100. And what is the square root of 100? 10. So we compare both the diagonal, and this one has large area. So return the area of this dimension. What is the area of this dimension? Length into breadth. So coming to solution, how we can solve it? Let's take an first index, where we will store the index which dimension has its maximum diagonal. Okay, let's say initially -1, and then double area -1.0. So we take double why we take first and foremost, we to understand why we are here taking double as a data type. We can take it in int or long whatever, but we are taking double because of area could be in decimal, whatever. So for iterating on the loop, int I equal to 0 to both size and I plus plus. And according to question, and length int L equal to nums of I of 0, and the breadth of this question nums of 0, nums of I of 1, I of 1. And what is the diagonal? Diagonal could also be square root. We have seen here diagonal, so we take double diagonal di equal to L square L square plus L square plus R square, L square plus B square, and then di is equal to S to RT square root of diagonal. If maxi, if let's take one maxi here. double c minus 1.0. Maxi maxi is less than diameter. If maxi is less than diameter, then maxi is less than diameter, then maxi equal to diameter. But it might be possible else if maxi equal to diameter. There are multiple dimensions where diagonal could be same. Then we have to return the meaning return the area in which dimension has maximum area. So also save the index I. Save the index I. Suppose that multiple multi we have multiple dimension which has same diagonal but different areas. So if use of I I of 0 and we multiply use of I of 1, 1 is less than is greater than use of I and the copy the value just mm, in this case we don't need to update the maxi because maxi is already equal to diagonal. We just change our index I and d equal to I, and here we will return the area of diagonal because we have saved index just now we do all the comparison whatever we can here. We have an index where which has maximum area. So number of IND of 0 return number of IND of 1. So first we don't need area here. We already counted one that, and I think so it will be done. Yes, then submitted it. So accepted. Thank you guys.